Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros. And for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve the blue screen error message you're receiving, that's ntkernlmp.exe. So what is ntkernlmp.exe is an executable file related to the Windows operating system, and ntkernlmp.exe BSOD refers to the blue screen of death involves an ntkernlmp.exe file. And most common reasons are graphics card driver corruptions, malware, and viruses. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to upgrade or reinstall the graphics driver. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to right click on a start menu and select mo lang dito yung device manager. And once na-open mo na tong device manager, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-select dito yung display adapters. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And next step ay kailangan lang natin i-upgrade or i-update itong ating graphics driver. Kung paano ba yan i-update, so select and right click. And then itap mo lang dito yung update driver. And may dalawang option dito na pwede natin i-select, like search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. And then, itap mo lang tong search automatically, so i-click mo lang yan and wait natin. And the best drivers for your device are already installed. Alright, so after dito sa device manager, and the other solution na pwede natin gawin is to check for driver issues with driver verifier manager. Kung paano ba yun natin gawin, all you have to do is open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung verifier. And then, i-click mo lang dito yung open. If you receive user account control, and itap mo lang dito yung yes. And automatic mga kaibigan, so makikita mo na dito yung driver verifier manager. So ang next step, so dito lang sa select atas, i-select mo lang dito yung create standard settings. And dito lang sa baba ay kailangan mo lang itap dito yung next. And then dito sa select what drivers to verify. And then i-select mo lang dito yung automatically select all drivers installed on this computer. And kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung finish. Alright, so click mo lang yan. Okay, so and the next solution na pwede natin gawin is to run the system file checker. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and itap mo lang dito yung yes. And once na-open mo na tong administrator command prompt, and the next step ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na dsem /online /cleanup-image /restore health. So gamitin mo yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+C, and then kailangan natin ditong i-paste. So gamitin mo yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+B and press mo lang yung enter. And deploy image and servicings and management tool. So dito ay kailangan lang hintay na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And the restore operations completed successfully. And the next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo lang dito yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung slash scan now ay one word yan, and press mo lang yung enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification of system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang ulit natin na hintay na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And verifications 100% complete. And the next step, so close lang natin tong CMD at dito lang sa start menu, and kailangan mo lang mag-restart, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix NTKRNLMP.exe blue screen crash BSOD error in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.